Today we will make zucchinis with minced meat. It's very fast to make, very delicious, and everyone will like it. I like to eat it with some rice and some cold yogurt. It's very delicious. Start with 1 kilogram of zucchinis, wash it very well and cut it like this. Make sure the thickness is medium. You can cut it on the board or with your hands. I prefer this method. Now put some pine nuts with some ghee in a pan and roast the pine nuts until they take this color. Now remove the pine nuts and leave the ghee in the pan to fry the zucchinis with it. Now put the zucchinis on high heat and make sure it's all covered with the ghee, so the zucchinis will take a beautiful golden color when fried on high heat. Now it's ready, we will remove it and put it aside. Add some ghee or some oil and add 1 onion cut into medium-sized cubes, then add 250 grams of minced meat. Mix the meat and the onions on high heat until the meat takes this color. Add 1 teaspoon of 7 spices, you can use allspice if you don't have it. Mix all the ingredients very well and now you can add the zucchinis. Make a room for the zucchinis so this way you don't have to mix it too much. You only have to put the meat on the top of the zucchinis and you can continue. Sprinkle with some salt as desired. The salt is for the zucchinis and for the meat. Add half a cup of water. You can also add more if you want it watery. But always add the water gradually so you won't regret adding any. Now we will cover it and we will leave it for 10 or 15 minutes on medium heat until the zucchinis are fully cooked. Our meal is ready, the zucchinis are cooked and it smells beautiful. It's juicy, it's tender, and at the same time it's holding its texture. You can serve it with some rice along with some cold yogurt. Also, you can eat it only with yogurt if you don't want any rice. And sometimes we eat it with bread, so you can pick your favorite type of bread and eat it with it. Don't forget to decorate with some pine nuts, and now it's ready. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's very easy to make and very delicious at the same time. Enjoy this meal with your family and let me know in the comments down below if you ever had this dish or if you want to see a similar zucchinis recipe in the channel. صحتين وهنا.